In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to ExpressVPN on PC with email and password. If the ExpressVPN desktop app is asking for an activation code, don't worry. You can switch to a more familiar sign-in method using your email address and password instead. This is useful if you'd rather not go to the web dashboard just to copy a code, and it makes the login process feel much more straightforward. Start by opening the ExpressVPN app on your Windows PC or Mac. When the app launches, you'll probably see a screen with a field that says Paste Activation Code. You can ignore that field for this method. Just look below it for the smaller option that says Sign in with your password or something similar, like use email and password, and click it. As soon as you do that, the screen should change and show the standard login fields. Next, click into the email field and enter the email address connected to your subscription. Take a second to make sure it's typed correctly, because even a small typo or an extra space can prevent the login from working. Then click into the password field and enter your master password. If you want to double check what you typed, use the small eye icon in the password box to reveal the characters before moving on. Once everything looks right, click the sign in button. After that, ExpressVPN may ask you to complete a two-factor verification step, especially if this is a new device. Keep the app open, then check your email inbox for a message from ExpressVPN containing a temporary 6-digit verification code. Open that message, copy or note the code, then return to the app and enter it into the verification field. Click Submit or Verify to continue. At that point, the app will finish authenticating your account and prepare your connection. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main ExpressVPN dashboard. By default, the app usually selects Smart Location, which is designed to give you a fast and reliable connection based on your network. If you want to use a different location, click the 3 horizontal dots next to the current location to open the VPN locations list. Then choose the country you want. Now click the large power button in the center of the app. Give it a moment while the connection activates. When the app shows a green connected status, you're ready to go. As a final check, open a private or incognito browser window and go to expressvpn.com/whatismyip. Confirm that the IP address and location shown there match the VPN server you selected, and make sure your regular internet provider information is no longer visible. That confirms your login and connection are working properly.